Hey guys, right before this video gets started, I wanted to say at the beginning I did get yelled at by a Union Pacific employee because he did not know what I was going to do. I was standing right by the tracks. I could have hopped on the train. I could have got in front of the train. He didn't know what I was doing, so I don't blame him for yelling at me. But at the end, he said I just had my phone out. I was taking videos of trains. He was completely cool with it. He didn't care that technically what I'm doing is not right. It's trespassing. But because I'm just on the edge, I'm just there to video trains. I'm not causing any harm, and he didn't seem to care at all. Now let's get into the video. Enjoy this Union Pacific mixed freight passing by. See ya.
Yeah? Alright. Sorry, I'm just here to take videos of trains.
I don't want you. I don't know what's next.